My name's Finnegan, and we're at Salmon Creek planting trees. We are at Salmon Creek, and we are planting trees right now to help the river and the environment. About this trip to Salmon Creek was planting all the trees because I love digging in the dirt. It's so fun. My favorite part was being paired with my friends and planting the trees. It was really fun. My favorite part about Salmon Creek was the ducks.
I like this trip because I can be outside and I love the nature.
Today we are planting native plants, and me and Carter have already planted 6. We've done 5 trees. We've seen a lot of nature down here at Salmon Creek, and one of the cool things we saw was the big blue heron.